Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss filter and short features about Microsoft Excel. Let us start with the discussion. In the Home tab of Microsoft Excel, here you will find sort and filter option. Here you will find the filter. As and when you click on the filter, you will find that here the filter option will appear. From this, suppose if you want to filter your particular name of the party, same for example, I am selecting MEA Sapti. So here you will find that only this party data will appear. So my data goes filter as per my selection. Suppose I am selecting instead of this, select all. My all data will appear. If I am selecting a particular name, first of I have to uncheck my select all and I select Jai Power. You will find Jai Power data will coming up, it will filter. Suppose I am selecting here all, I can also filter by using the text filter. Same for example, text filter, I will use equal, does not equal, begin with, end with, content. Suppose I am going to content and here I will write power and I just press OK. It will give me the data which have the name in it contains the power word. So here the two party name has the name contain the power word. So in this way you can use the filter command. Suppose I am again selecting all the data will be coming up. I can also select by way of quantity. Suppose I am selecting particular quantity only 575, then here you will find only 575 data will be coming up. I can use the number filter. Here I can use less than or less than equal to or between. Suppose I am using here between, that is greater than or equal to 575 and less than I am here 576 and here I am writing 1900 and press enter. You will find that my all data between 576 and 1900 will be coming up. So this is used as a number filter. Next, I can also select greater than or less than. Suppose I am selecting greater than here 1420 and I just press enter. You will find all the data more than 1420 will be appear. Suppose I am selecting here less than 1755, you will find that all the data less than 1755 will get filtered. So in this way I can use the filter command here. If there are a various color available in your cells, then you can also use the filter by color. Same for example, I will filter by color green. So I select all the green color cell will be get filtered. Next, if I am selecting this, all the pink color gets filtered. So this is the way you can use the filter command. What is the benefit of this? The benefit of this is if you select a particular name of the party, you will find all the data relating to the particular party. So it will helpful to make an analyze. Suppose I want what are the number of transactions with my this party, so I can analyze this party wide detail by just filtering that I am having a 4 transaction with this party. These are the rupees. This are the item name which I have sold at extra depending on my database. I can also use the date filter as well as the number filters also. Same for example, here there is a date. I will select the text by text filter by it will contain equal to less than ends with at extra I option used for the purpose of filter. Next, suppose I don't want this filter, then just go to here, select filter, filter will disappear. There is a shortcut for the purpose of filter, Alt D double F. Again when you click here, and press Alt D double F, your filter will be appear. So instead of going to here, you just press Alt D double F to activate the filter as well as the deactivate the filter. Suppose I am again pressing Alt D double F, the filter gets deactivated. So in this way you can use the filter command in your Microsoft Excel. Next is the sort. Here there is a sort button. If I am using here sort A to Z, then you will find that my all the data will be sorted as per A to Z option. Same for example, I am selecting this data and I am selecting here sort smallest to largest. You will find that sort smallest to largest will be get filter. Here you will find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Suppose I am using Alt D double S. This is the shortcut for the purpose of sort. Same for example, this is the shortcut Alt D double S. So I am using this Alt D double S. So here I have to select my particular column. Suppose I am filterize this my data. So I am get filterize my data. Again I am selecting all the data. I press Alt D double S. It will give me the name of my particular row or particular column, that is first is challan number. If I want to sort as per by party name, just select party name. Here you have to select A to Z or Z to A. Suppose I am selecting Z to A, then it will be sort as per Z to A. Suppose I want to select as per A to Z, then go here and select sort A to Z. It will sort as per A to Z. You can also sort the data based on here. You just click here. Here there is a sort smallest to largest. So click here. All the small amount will be coming up and biggest amount coming at the later point. That is smallest to largest. You can also sort from largest to smallest by clicking here. So in this way you can use the sort function. You can also sort by the basis of a color. Suppose I am selecting this color. So this is I have done filter, but I want to do sort on the basis of color. So I am just selecting here and selecting sort by color and selecting my green color. So my green color cell will coming up. So in this way you can sort your data. Suppose I want to sort on the basis of my item name, just select sort A to Z. You will find my data get sort on the basis of item name. Suppose I want to sort on the basis of challan number, just select here, select smallest to largest. You will find that my data on the basis of challan number will get sort. So in this way you can sort your data and also get filter your data in a Microsoft Excel. It will very helpful to make a different type of analysis in your Microsoft Excel. Thank you.